Hey everyone, it's Alyssa here with Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be talking about our Witch's Brew bundle. This bundle is full of super spooky notions, tools, and yarn, including some exclusive new colorways. I've got here Journey recycled silk yarn in the Unbelievable colorway, and if I may say, it is unbelievable how cute it is.
Corny.
Thank you. And then we've got some Peekaboo lace weight silk yarn in the Autumn Skies colorway. Totally new, super exciting. It is really cute. Some silk roving worsted weight black to get all your spooky projects going, especially the Spooky Chic garland. Some spooky stitch markers. They're really cute. I think maybe a photo of those would be good. Plus a brand new Cauldron Weaving Kit that comes with some very exciting crystals, including amethyst and peridot. Wow, I've only read that, so I don't know if that's actually how it's pronounced.
Peridot.
If it's not, cut that out. I'm not gonna.
I never do. I never do.
And the super fun kit to create your own Amigurumi frog friend. Check out all of these exclusive new products only at the Witch's Brew bundle at darngoodyarn.com. Thanks!